How to use magnifier in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and press and hold on blank space. Now click on add a control and scroll down, and here you can see the icon magnifier. Now click on magnifier and then click on blank space. Now click on magnifier icon, and here you can magnifier increase, zoom and decrease, and here you can capture, and here you can see the settings, brightness, contrast, filters, add, and then click on done. Here you can increase up brightness, decrease up brightness, and then click on capture. So this is the way to use magnifier in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.